Hello there, guys.
In today's video, we are going to learn about this accumulation and distribution indicator. So, let's get started. Accumulation and distribution give an idea of where the price will move, whether it will go up or down. It does this by detecting divergences between volume and price action, which means when the accumulation and distribution line goes in the opposite direction to the price of a particular script. Now, let's discuss how to interpret. The upward movement of this indicator shows that the prices keep on closing at the upper portion of its range with high volume, which means many buyers are accumulating that script and vice versa for the downward movement. If both the price movement and this indicator are going on same direction confirms a healthy trend. Now, what you have to look for are bearish and bullish divergences. Bearish divergence. It happens when the price is making new highs, but the indicator is falling. This suggests the upward move lacks real buying support, and a reversal might be coming. Bullish divergence. It happens when price is making new lows, but the indicator is rising. This suggests selling pressure is ending and buyers are stepping in. Now, how does it calculate? In order to calculate it, subtract the close price from the open and the low from the high price, then divide the answer of them and multiply it with the volume. The accumulation distribution index is calculated as a cumulative total of each day's reading. So guys, like every other indicator, this one has limitations too and should not be used alone. Also, this video is made for informational purposes only and does not contain any trading advice or strategy. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.